everyone, this is Hannah, and today I'm going to do a tutorial video for this mini album set. And before the tutorial, that I want to just an update, because the Double 11, the AliExpress sale is still valid now. So yeah, definitely check our AliExpress store to save you some money. And yeah, most of the dies are are on sale. And also for the new November release, they are still have sale price if you order 3 sets or more. So if you order 3 sets of the new release, you will get 5%. And if you order 6 sets of the new release, you will get 10% off. And the bundle, you get the price of 15% off. So that's the price is still valid until November the 17th. So definitely check the store. And for this mini album, I also made this one. So I find that you could not only make the album like this one with the XOXO words here, but you could also create different ones. So this is the one that I made, because there is like 3 different shapes of frame types, right? And these are great to create different size albums or box. So I used this one to create a little book like this. So I make the spine and hinges by myself, and I think it's super fun. And here I add a slot here, and this slot is also in this set, which is this one. It has a small one and a longer one. So you have 2 choice of this slot that you could make put things inside. And here is this page. And for this page, I also make a slot at this part. And here I make it like this, so you could put your photo in this place. And here for this one, I add a pocket here. So this pocket is from the Nesting Elegant Pocket Set, which is in the October release. And this part, I make a pocket here with these ephemeras. And all the ephemera is from our new set. This is a new set. And it has these it's like so. See, it has these images inside. So I think it's very fun that you could have different you could make different box with this set also. And let me show the size that you could make for the box. So this one is a little less than 3.5 inch wide, and it's almost 4 inch tall. And this one is also 4 inch tall by, here is a little over 4.5 inches. And the longest one is a little less than 6 inches. So also 4 inch long. And then let's start making the making the tutorial for this one. So all you need to do is cut each piece 1 time, and these are X and O 2 times to make the double X and double O. And this is the hinge that you need to cut 4 times to make these 4 pages. So I have cut all these out 1 time just to show you how to make this. And these XOs are 2 times. And I also cut the word flower. So first glue this piece, glue the X on top, and make sure that this X is like put like this way, not this way. It's just a little slight difference, but you could see there is a curve here which will fit like so. When I first make my album, I didn't notice this and make it like this the opposite way, so it will look like this. But only a little slight difference. You could make it on the foam, so it will look more three-dimensional like this way. But this time I just want to make it flat. And then layer this flower here. But if you don't want to have the flowers on the album, you could just trim this extra part off, and then there is no flower in this page. I think it's better to make the flower with foam, so it can be pop up like so. Well, but I forgot to cut the flower so in foam. So just this time I will make it as flat ones. But I suggested you could, make it with foam, which will be, I think it will be more beautiful. But that's just my personal, my personal opinion. I just like it in that way. And here is the hinge, and you could attach it like this. So just put a little glue on this part, just like a little part of this hinge. And let's do the second page. So this page is with the O. And then also add this hinge here. So because I want to make them in the same place for each page, so I will just layer these two up well, and then I will know where I should put this hinge on. So like this, and then place the hinge like this. In this way, it will be in the same place as the first page. And then let's do the third one. This is also with this X. Also, let's do the same in like the others. And for the last page, make it with the O. So this 4 page is ready. And it layers like this. And you could use your binding rings to collect the page. So when you make your mini album, like this page, you could add your slot here like so, just to add your photos inside. And for this page, you could make it like this to add the photos. So it's like the cover of your mini album. Also, you could make the other pages with you could make the following pages in this shape, so you will have more space to put your photos or put your projects in. But this is how to make the cover of this XOXO mini album set. So yeah, I think it's very fun to make this one. And yeah, I love that you could also use these frames single. You could use these frames separately to make different, different albums or different books. I think that's very fun to have. And the size is great. So this is the tutorial for today. And if you have any questions, please just let me know. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.